Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Ford Mustang GT 50th anniversary in race red on raven black leather interior. So we'll just have a look at the back here. So nice size trunk that it's got on this one. Decent size, as you can see, for a sports car that is. It does have the upgraded stereo, so it's got the subwoofer there on the trunk. Let's have a look under here. So we've got the inflation kit, and you can store some more goodies down there. And have a look in the seams, nice and clean, looks great. I'll just close this up. So on the back there, we've got the GT 50 years on the logo there. We've got nice LED tail lights. We've got the spoiler there up top. We've got a nice FlowMaster exhaust with the black tips down on the bottom. I like this louver piece that's painted the same color as the car below with the reverse light in the center. So looks great. On the first wheel here, so no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and brand new tires on there. So that's all there for you. At the passenger side, we've got nice white baseball stitching that accents the black door panels. We've got our power locks, we've got our power windows, nice brushed aluminum accent for the door handle as well as around the speaker there. We've got the aluminum Mustang kick plate there, looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Down on the floor here, we've got the nice all-weather Mustang mats. And let's have a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we've got the wheel lock key, so that's there. And up top, we've got the books, so those are all there for you. And there's the 50 years edition Mustang badge on the dash. And it's got a nice brushed aluminum finish here on the dash. Looks great. And we'll just hop in and close this one up. Let you have a look from back here. So it's all in really, really good shape. No dings, no dents. There's your 5-liter logo there and your front wheel. So no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, looking great. Under the hood, so we've got the GT strut tower brace there. We've got the 5-liter, 435 horsepower V8 engine, and then it's paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. So lots of power, lots of fun, great exhaust on the car, sounds great. Nice and clean here under the hood. And let's close this up and have a look at the front. Okay, so on the front, in terms of issues, a couple little minor stone chips or marks on there. One little guy here. And that's about it. So outside of that, looks fabulous. We've got the nice chrome Mustang badge there on the front. We've got the HID projector headlights with the LED DRLs there inside. We've got the fog lights down below. We've got the nice chin spoiler, looks great. And we've got the louvers there on the hood. And here we are at the driver's wheel. So again, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and brand new tires. And same thing here on the back. So fabulous, looks great, ready to go. Over here, we've got 3 user memory seats. We've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and on the mirrors, we do have blind spot monitors, so that is there for you. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's fire this one up. Clutch in, there we go. There it is. Nice rumble. So kilometers, we've got 36,297 kilometers on it, so nice and low. No engine lights, no issues. Over here we've got our cruise control. We've got the buttons to control the different gauges that we have up top. So those are all there. You can go over, and track apps are there. Drive assist, blind spot, cross traffic, hill start, rear park aid. So it's got all of those features there for you. Over here we've got the radio, so we've got nav. If I click here, there's your nav, and connect to a phone. There's your climate control. So heated and cooled seats on this, so you can also turn them on down here, right? So cooled seat, heated seat, you know, auto AC, that's all there. And then down here we've got traction on off. We've got different steering controls, so as I flick that, there it is, comfort, normal, or sport. And then we've got modes, so driving modes, normal, sport plus, track, or snow wet. So that's all there for you. And then there's your shifter, 6-speed transmission, and then we've got the myford color there as well, so you can change the different colors, and that's in the door handles there, down on the floor there, so very cool. And let's go ahead and put the top up on this one. So there's the top there, very easy to put up top. So we'll bring it there, and then we just unlock that, and we'll put it down the rest of the way, lock it in place, and that's it. And then draw up the windows, and there it is. And we can get out and have a look with it running. Have a listen there. Sounds great. And let's have a look at the top while it's up. Top's in really good shape, as you can see. Looks good. I'll let you have a look at the front while it's running. Nice headlights, looks great. Have a listen here from the back. Nice chug to it. There you have it, folks. 2015 Ford Mustang GT in race red on black leather interior, 50th anniversary, 6-speed manual, low kilometers here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.